All right, happy Sunday, good morning, good afternoon, or maybe it's a good night. Today, I want to ask you a question. You live in a city where you live right now. Do you have a land in that city? Another question I want to ask you, how long have you lived in that city? You have lived 2 years, you have lived 3 years, you have lived 4 years in that city, and you don't have a land. What plan do you have for the future if you are not investing in real estate? So this video I'm making today is to encourage you, because a lot of young people think that investing in real estate is for old people, and I'm here to tell you that is wrong. Investing in real estate is for you now. I'm talking to you, yes, you now that is young. You are 21 years old, you are doing maybe freelancing, you are doing graphic design, you are doing drop shipping, you are doing a lot of small businesses, and God has blessed you with a million naira. What do you do with that money? What do you do with that money is to go and invest it so that that money can multiply. The only way money multiplies is by investment. Only investment multiplies money. Saving does not multiply money, especially saving in Nigeria does not multiply money. Rather, it will take the money, pinching the money. Every day they will pinch 10 naira. But if you want your money to multiply, you have to invest it in real estate. And that's why I'm here to help you. So there's what we call real estate portfolio. The same way you have a lot of clothes for different occasions, there are different properties you should buy for different occasions. Okay? Now that you are 25 years old, you can you can do land banking. What is land banking? Land banking is buying a property that is very cheap, and you leave it for some years, and within that period, that property would have increased in in value. You can now sell it off, or you can now develop it. That is what a lot of people are doing. All these people that you are calling wealthy now, that have estate in different states in Nigeria, they did not start now. They started many years ago. They have plan for the future. But what you are doing now, that God has blessed you with 1 million naira, you will go and get a girlfriend and be paying her school fees, thinking that, let me invest in her. That girlfriend you are investing in will not yield money. I'm just telling you now, like a sister. Nothing will come out of that. You will go to club and go and declare, buy 500 naira drink, and you will drink with your friends. When you are broke, those people will not help you. So my advice, start investing in real estate.